arrived from the other side of boundlessness, an eye of deity peered through the dung deeps, a scout in a reconnaissance from the sun. It seemed amid a heavy cosmic rest, the thoughtful of a sick and weary world, to seek for a spirit, soul and desolate, too fallen to recollect forgotten bliss. Intervening in a mindless universe, its message